Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
So ayun guys, gagawa tayo ng papaya fries. So ayun guys, balatan muna natin ang papaya. As pag nabalatan natin ang papaya, hiwain naman natin. Magpainit muna tayo ng mantika bago natin ilagay ang papaya. So ayun, mainit na kaya nilagay na natin na ang papaya. Ayan, malapit na siyang maluto. Hintayin na lang natin saglit. Finally, ayan na siya nung naluto.
Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how.